You're in a humble London backyard. Ashley Kalym is stuck midway through his first full planche hold, arms shaking, sweat blurring his vision. His fingers cling to the edge of the wooden bench like roots in quicksand. One more second, then he drops. But this moment, raw and gritty, is the doorway to a body transformed by nothing but sheer will and skin-on-wood resistance. What exactly did he learn here? Let's unpack that. Ashley and Mike don't just preach bodyweight moves. They redefine strength training itself, turning your own body into the ultimate gym. But how can you build muscle without lifting a barbell? In a park just outside London, Ashley demonstrates over 30 push-up variations. Rings, wide grips, fingertip balances, each crafted to chisel different muscle fibers. It's not just about reps, it's about control. That explosive diamond push-up, a game-changer for explosive power, tested by the Royal Marines to boost battlefield readiness. Think of your body as a suspension bridge. Every muscle is a cable tugging against gravity's pull. Instead of adding weights, you adjust your angle, lean forward to increase tension, shift your legs to change leverage. This dynamic tension turns simple moves into complex, multi-joint puzzles that sculpt raw power. Mike's transformation from couch potato to performing a perfect human flag stunned his local gym crowd. Starting with core and scapular strength drills, he layered skills over months. The payoff? This gravity-defying stunt isn't just a trick. It rewires your body's balance system and unlocks explosive athleticism most assume needs special gear. Levers sound like science class jargon, but here they're the secret weapons in the calisthenics arsenal. Front lever, back lever, planche, each shape shifts your body into pure strength and grace. So how do you actually learn them? Ashley's journey to the planche took 2 years of patient progressions. Starting with tuck planches, he slowly extended his legs, fighting gnarly wrist pain and ego bruises alike. London's drizzly mornings were his testing ground. That breakthrough moment came when his body floated parallel to the ground, a pure balance act between strength and nerve. The front lever isn't just a test of back muscle strength. It's a full-body orchestra with the core as conductor. Mike's approach breaks down the movement like tuning an instrument, scapular retraction, tight core, hips aligned. It's like slowly learning a secret chord on a violin that unlocks your body's natural fortress. Most underestimate the back lever, thinking it's easier. But it flips your usual fears, requiring you to relax while controlling. Ashley compared it to falling backward into a perfect handstand spot, a surrender that demands trust between muscles and mind to hold steady like a pendulum at rest. Complete calisthenics isn't just flashy moves. It builds a resilient, capable body handling real life. Mobility, nutrition, and leg conditioning are part of the secret sauce. How do you turn skills into sustainable strength? Ashley swears by daily mobility routines, calling them the grease that keeps the machine running. By combining joint circles, dynamic stretches, and neural activation drills, he avoids injuries that sideline most athletes. In one memorable rehab story, a sprained wrist healed faster than docs predicted thanks to his targeted mobility work. Leg training in calisthenics rarely gets the spotlight, but the book devotes pages to lunges, pistol squats, shrimp squats, even explosive sprints. Why? Because your legs are your power source. Ashley's transformation going from weak-legged to sprint-capable was so dramatic, his rugby coaches begged him for tips. Nutrition isn't just about muscle gain. It's about fueling relentless training sessions. The authors highlight simple, practical diets loaded with whole foods, balanced macros, and hydration strategies that keep you sharp. They challenge the myth that bodyweight trainers don't need to worry about fueling properly. Your body is a high-performance vehicle demanding premium gas. Back in that London backyard, Ashley's shaky planche is no longer shaky. The journey through hundreds of push-up variants, mastering levers, and perfecting mobility brought him here. This isn't just a workout. It's a transformation, turning your body into a playground of strength and balance. Try this tonight. Hold a plank and tweak your hand position until the tension bites differently. Notice your body's conversation with gravity. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.